guys, so I totally forgot, but I ordered from Scentbird. Everybody over YouTube has been talking about it, and I just had to try it. So this is what came in it. Make the most of your subscription, and it's got download the mobile app. And this is my first one. It's Michael Germain Paris Sugarful. And I have not opened it yet. So, let's see. Okay, so. Oh my god. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you take it out of your sleeve, which I love it. I can keep it protected in my bag. Okay, so I am guessing this is the lock. Yeah. And then you lock it. And then you can unlock it and then spray it. It's also magnetic. Yes. And this is for the month, so it'll last me a while. But you put it in like this. And then you collapse together. I'm more of like the sweet and sugar type, like perfume, like vanilla and all that stuff. So, it comes out of that thingy right there. Oh my gosh. I love it. Did you see it spray? Probably not, but oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on. I love it. And this is not sponsored. I totally forgot about it. This one is Sugarful by Michael Germain. It's playful, kissable, sugarful. It's got tangerine, pink peony, cotton candy, musk, and sandalwood. Oh my gosh. I love it. 10 out of 10. I think I will probably stick to my subscription and just get one a month because I don't really wear perfume. So, yeah. I will definitely be getting more of these little magnetic thingies. I love it. It is so awesome. It's so pretty. And it actually matches my nails, kind of. Which I did before I got my mail. Okay, you guys are strong. You are beautiful. You are one of a kind. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. There will be tons more videos coming. But I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe. And I hope you have a good morning, day, afternoon, night, whenever you're watching this. I love you guys. Bye.